After a terrifying week of cross-border shelling, missile strikes, and drone attacks, turning entire villages along the line of control into war zones, India and Pakistan have finally agreed to a ceasefire. But let's be honest, it wasn't out of wisdom or compassion. It was because the United States finally gave both countries a shut-up call. Washington had seen enough, the world had seen enough, and once again, it took international pressure to pull these two nuclear-armed neighbors back from the brink. Donald Trump, ever the showman, broke the news on X, claiming success in getting both nations to accept the American request to de-escalate. And just like that, the same leaders who were fanning the flames of nationalism were suddenly claiming victory. India said it stood firm. Pakistan said it stayed strong. Both took credit, as if peace was a prize and not a moral duty. But no one spoke of the civilians. Of the mothers on both sides of Kashmir, burying children they'll never see grow up. Of the families forced to flee their homes under falling shells. Of the lives shattered, not for honor, but for headlines. And what about the media? The so-called fourth pillar of democracy. Mainstream news on both sides didn't just fail, they fanned the fire. They turned conflict into content. Anchors screamed for blood. War became a spectacle. Ratings came before reality. This wasn't journalism, it was warmongering for profit. Let's be clear, this wasn't peace born from maturity. It was a ceasefire forced by pressure, after chaos nearly spiraled out of control. And as always, it's not the politicians or the elites who pay the price, it's the people. The voiceless, the forgotten, the ones who get no headlines. Maybe it's time we stop celebrating ceasefires and start questioning why war is always the first option.